We can get a power cord, HHO gas flame torch set, an accessory box, an operation manual. Here is a small type oxy-hydrogen generator. It is a portable machine, very easy to move. Here is our small type oxy-hydrogen generator. This is displaying screen, and here is gas adjustment knob. The next is power switch. Here is the water level line. And the right is pressure gauge and water tank. First, we pour the corresponding pure water into the bucket. Then we pour the potassium hydroxide to prevent the electrolyte from splashing and stir it well. Our electrolyte is strongly alkaline. It should be noted that we should wear gloves to protect ourselves. After the electrolyte is prepared, there will be a heating process. We can use it after the electrolyte is cooled. Now we open the water cap and use the funnel to feed the KOH liquid. The electrolyte KOH solution is cooled. Gently shaking the machine to let the liquid flow down. Meanwhile, watch the liquid window keep the liquid level at 60%. After finishing above steps, the machine are ready to work now. Next, let's connect the gas tube. We usually have 4 gas tubes. We use 2 gas tubes firstly. One of gas tube is connected with gas outlet, and another one is connected with the flame arrestor. This flame arrestor is used to prevent backfire. It is connected to the middle of the pipe. After we have installed the flame arrestor, the other end of gas pipe is to connect the flame torch. Our flame torch is equipped with a flame arrestor. The next step is to connect the pipe with the torch. In the oxy-hydrogen gas torch set, there are 4 nozzles, A, B, C, D, which are 0.3 mm, 0.4 mm, 0.5 mm, and 0.6 mm diameter. After we connect the power cord, turn on the power switch. We can see the gas production on the screen now. In order to make sure the gas will not leak, we need to pay attention to the pressure gauge. When the pressure reaches 0.14 to 0.15 megapascal, lasts for 5 minutes. When the pressure gauge reaches 0.1 megapascal after the machine is powered on, we start to ignite. We can obviously feel it with our hands. When we stop the machine, we should quickly close the valve of the flame torch. And then we adjust the gas knob to the minimum and open the valve to exhaust the excess gas. And then turn off the power switch.
Ether makes boring trading easier.